Managing sheet tabs efficiently helps you organize different categories of data within the same spreadsheet document. When you need to expand your workbook with a brand new table, you can easily create an additional workspace. Go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the plus icon to add a fresh blank sheet. Feel free to drop us a like if you find this quick spreadsheet tutorial helpful. Once your new tab appears next to your existing data, you can customize its title to match the contents. Open the drop-down arrow on the Sheet tab to reveal the Management menu. Select Rename from the list of options to make the title editable. Type your preferred title into the box and press Enter to save the new name. If a sheet is no longer needed, you can remove it entirely from your document to keep your workbook clean. Click the drop-down arrow on the tab you want to get rid of. Choose the Delete option from the Context menu. Confirm the deletion in the prompt to remove the tab from your file. Another common way to add a tab is by duplicating an existing sheet that has a layout or formatting you want to reuse. Open the menu for the sheet you want to copy. Click Duplicate to generate an exact copy of the sheet with all its data intact. You now know how to add, rename, delete, and duplicate tabs to organize your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips.